Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Sitiveni Rambuka, the Minister for External Affairs of the Republic of India, Honorable Dr. Shri Subrahmanyam, Jaishankar, and our guest of honor for today, the Honorable Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, committed partners and stakeholders of this project, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambol Vinaka, and a good morning to you all. I wish to welcome you all to the official launch of the Solarization of Head of States residence in Fiji. At the outset, I wish to recognize the Government of India's delegation led by the Honorable Dr. Shri Subrahmanyam Jaishankar, the Minister of External Affairs, to launch this flagship initiative. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this Solarization initiative is a collaboration between the Government of India, the Solar Heads of State, a US-based NGO, the United Nations Development Programme, and the Pacific Islands Development Forum. This project presents a strategic opportunity for national leaders to champion and encourage the mass adoption of solar energy and renewable energy technologies. It is an excellent legacy program of championing sustainable development in the region. Today's launch, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, is the first of 11 projects that will be implemented across the region in the Federated States of Micronesia, Kiribati, Palau, Nauru, Marshall Islands, Solomon Islands, Tonga, Tuvalu, Timor-Leste, and Vanuatu. This initiative reflects the collaborative partnership and technical cooperation between India and the Pacific, grounded in the spirit of the South-South cooperation. The Pacific Island countries at the forefront of dealing with the brunt of climate change, related natural disasters. This has been further exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic. And we are fortunate that this project is finally taking off. The Pacific Island countries are now building back better, focusing on meeting their long-term development aspirations and developing resilient communities. Fiji, like other Pacific Island countries, faces multiple energy challenges, such as high cost of developing alternative energy resources and extending service to remote populations, poor quality of energy data and trends, and our resource constraints. So, with due respect, we thank the Government of India for sponsoring this project and the United Nations Development Programme's Pacific Office for their guidance. We equally thank the Solar Head of State for their technical expertise and Solaria Corporation for its genuine partnership in this project. Their collaborative efforts have allowed us to gather for this morning's launch. With those few words, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I invite His Excellency the President and the Honourable External Affairs Minister to do the honours this morning and unveil the plaque for us.